Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to create a view. As we learned before, a view is not an object that contains data. The view is just an object that represents the data from the base tables. Here we have 4 practices. Create a view called emp underscore view 40 based on the employee number, the employee last name with first name, and the department numbers from employees table where department ID equal to 40. The heading for the employee name should be full name. Save the create statement to a file named emp underscore view 40.sql. So here we want to create a view. Create view. Name of the view is emp underscore view 40. As the view is representing the employee number, select employee underscore ID. The last names with first name, so we can concatenate the last name with first name. We can concatenate the last name first with space and then concatenate with first name. So here concatenate the last name with a space and then concatenate with first name to get the full name of the employee. And also we want the department numbers, which is the department underscore ID from table employees, and the condition is where department underscore ID equal 40. So the view, as we can see, is representing the employee ID, the last name concatenated with space concatenated with the first name, and also the department ID of all employees working in department number 40. As we can see here, the heading for the employee name should be full name, so we can give here an alias as full underscore name. Once finished, run the create statement, and here we go. As we can see, view emp underscore view 40 created. Here one of the requirements, save the create statement to a file named emp underscore view 40. You can go to the disk icon here and click save. Here you can choose where you want to save the file. Go to C, for example, under app here, for example, and you can save the file under this directory structure. Name the file emp underscore view 40 and click save. So as we can see, our worksheet take the name of the file. The second practice, view the structure of the view and confirms the view work. So we can describe the view by using describe command. Describe emp underscore view 40. Click run, and here we go. So as we can see, the view is representing the employee ID, the full name, which is the last name concatenated with a space and then concatenated with the first name, and the department ID of all employees working in department 40. And confirm the view works, so we can write select statement, select star from, for example, the view emp underscore view 40. So selecting from the view means run the select statement that represent the view, which is select the employee ID, the full name, the department ID from table employees where department ID is 40. So run the select statement, and here we go. So as we can see, this is the full name, which is the last name concatenated with a space concatenated with the first name, and this is the department ID. As we can see, we have only one employee working in department number 40. In the third practice, create a view called emp underscore view underscore details that represents the employee number, the employee full name, the salary, the department name of all employees. As we learned before, the department name column is not exist in the employees table. It exists in the departments table. So in this case, if we want to return the employee number, the employee name, the salary, and the department name, you have to join the employees table with the department table. So here we want to create a view that represents data from both tables. We want to create a view called emp underscore view underscore details. As select, we want to select the employee underscore ID, the employee full name, which is last underscore name concatenated with space concatenated with first underscore name, and we can give it an alias full underscore name. We want also the salary and the department underscore name from table employees join table departments, and the condition is using department underscore ID. Once finished, run the create statement. As we can see, view emp underscore view underscore details created. View the structure of the view and confirm the view works. So we can run describe and the view name and click run. So here, as we can see, the view representing the employee ID, the full name, the salary, and the department name. We can test the view by write a select statement, select star from emp underscore view underscore details. Run the select statement, and here we go. So as we can see, the view is representing the employee ID, the full name, which is the last name, concatenated with the space, concatenated with the first name, the salary, and the department name of all employees. So in this practice, we learn how to create a view using create view statement. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.